Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, October 25th. The Zen story today is titled The Cushion Shared. The morning air was thick with the smell of pine and old rain. He had wandered long, tracing a narrow trail that curved between moss-covered stones and long-forgotten trees. He returned just after the mist had begun to lift, dew still clinging to the cuffs of his robe. The cabin door was slightly ajar. Not wide, just enough. A faint trail of dew-damp paw prints gleamed on the porch, as if something had entered quietly, confidently, and not bothered to close the door behind. He stepped inside without sound, and stopped. The fox was there, perched on the meditation cushion, one paw lightly tapping its edge as if testing its claim, eyes half open, glinting with a quiet dare, breathing slow, yet poised. The monk froze, still as stone. His heart shuddered, a temple-taught rhythm faltering, as if the cushion's theft knocked something loose inside him. The cushion had been his only claim of structure, an anchor, where silence was shaped by ritual. Where he placed his body meant the silence and resisted distraction. Now the fox sat in the center of it, as if it had been his all along. The monk stayed at the threshold, watching. The fox did not flinch, didn't glance up. It simply continued, breathing in, breathing out, tail tucked close, ears flicking occasionally in response to sounds the monk couldn't hear. Something in him wanted to shoo it away. Something older in him knew better. So he crossed the room and sat beside the cushion, on the floor, without ceremony, spine soft. His knees creaked, his body folded into itself. He closed his eyes. The silence shifted. For a long time, they breathed together, each breath distinct, yet tangled, like two currents carving one stream. A single apple seed, unnoticed, rolled from the fox's fur, clicking faintly against the floor. A sound neither near nor far, breaking nothing, holding everything. The fox yawned once, low and slow, then rose. It stepped off the cushion without a glance, without sound, and walked past the monk, its body brushing lightly against his shoulder. The cabin door creaked. By the time he opened his eyes, the fox was gone. He looked down at the cushion. A single red hair lay coiled at its center, catching the light. He sat in its place, not to reclaim it, but to continue something unnamed. And for the first time in weeks, he felt no need to light the lantern, check the hearth, or sweep the floor. He just sat. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. How do you react when your ritual is interrupted? How do you react when your ritual is interrupted? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of this practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. How do you react when your ritual is interrupted? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.